Today, I got an exciting little episode for you. I'm going to show you how to bake bread in a crock pot. What? Yeah, a crock pot. Let's get started. All right, first we need our bread dough. I have a couple loaves here ready to go. I let these rise a second time and now they're ready to be baked. This one I'm going to bake in the oven traditionally. And this one we are going to bake in a crock pot. And then we're going to compare the two. So what you do is you get yourself a large crock pot, and then we just put our dough right in there like that, ready to go. Then we turn it on high. We put the top on and we let it bake for 2.5 to 3 hours until it's nice golden brown on top. Time is up. Let's go ahead and take a look. Look at that. And now with oven mitts, I'm gonna go ahead and come in here and grab my bread. I'm gonna go ahead and take this loaf out of the bread pan here. Should come right out. And now I'm gonna point out some differences right away. So inside there, it got more crispy or more hard on the sides. This is the one that was in the crock pot. This is the one that was baked normally in the oven. A little bit browner on the edges here. Nice little crust, a little bit softer, pretty cool. Now look at the tops. As you might expect, you know, this looks like a normal loaf of bread. And this one got these little bridges. What you'd expect from like the steam inside the crock pot cooking the top. Now, let's cut into them and see what we can see. First, let's start with our normal loaf. Take my bread knife here, and I'm just gonna cut the end. Look at the inside. Looks really good. Looks like, you know, bread should look. Give this a little taste. Now let's take our crock pot bread. Same ingredients and everything, same dough. Cut off the end here. A little crispier on the edges. And a little bit different texture on the inside. A little bit more brown. Here's the difference. Probably could have cooked this maybe a little bit less time. That's pretty cool though, the difference. Let's give it a taste. Tastes really good. The outside crust is nice and hard. The inside is really soft.